Okay, we want to understand physically what's going on in this problem. We're adding H plus solution and a hydroxide solution. And after these react completely, we have a solution that still has a bit of H plus ion in it. Our goal is to determine the concentration of this hydroxide ion. And here's the key. The change in the number of moles of H plus ion is going to be equal to the moles of hydroxide that were added. Then once we know the moles of hydroxide that were added, because we know its volume, we can determine its concentration. We're going to determine the initial and the final moles of H plus by multiplying molarity times volume expressed in liters. When we do that, we see units of liters cancel, and we have units of moles. So we're going to take the moles of H plus that were there initially, subtract from that the moles of H plus that we have at the end. That's going to be equal to the moles of H plus that reacted, and also equal to the moles of hydroxide that were added. So now we know the moles of hydroxide that were in this beaker, we can determine the concentration. And substituting our numbers, we can get our final answer.